Hey everyone! If you have been browsing the Jianghu Treasures menu in Where Winds Meet, you have probably stared at a currency called the Harmonic Core. The game doesn't explain it well, but this little golden orb is actually the most important item for anyone who cares about high-end fashion. Today, we are going to break down exactly how to get it, the brutal math behind the drop rates, and whether it's actually worth your money. What is a harmonic core? Think of the harmonic core as a pity token or a wild card. It is a premium currency used exclusively in the draw shop to buy the featured legendary cosmetics, like the golden dragon outfit or the high-tier weapon skins, when the gacha gods fail to give them to you directly. Crucial note, this item is not farmable. You cannot get it from world bosses, you cannot find it in chests, and it does not drop from the free Solemn Echo banner. It is strictly locked behind the paywall. To get a harmonic core, you have to pull on the Celestial Echo banner, which is the premium one. You need echo beads to pull, which are bought with real money. Now let's talk about the math, because this is where players get confused. According to the official drop tables, the chance of a harmonic core dropping is 0.747% per pull. While that sounds low, it is actually the most common result when you hit a legendary or gold drop. Compare that to the specific featured outfit, which has a 0.04% drop rate. Basically, the game is designed so that you rarely win the outfit directly. Instead, you're expected to pull enough times to earn these harmonic cores and then buy the outfit yourself. The pity system. My research confirms there is a hard pity at 150 pulls. If you haven't received a legendary item by your 150th pull, the game guarantees one. Because the core has the highest weight in the legendary pool, your pity reward will almost always be a harmonic core. How to use it. Once you have your cores, go to the draw shop inside the Jianghu Treasures. Here, you can exchange them for the featured items. Pro tip, be careful with your math. While some accessories cost 1 core, full legendary outfit sets or mounts often require 2 cores. This means if you have bad luck, you might need to hit pity twice, which is 300 pulls, just to guarantee the mount you want. The verdict? Harmonic cores are purely for cosmetics. They offer 0 stat advantages in PvP or PvE. If you're a free-to-play player, ignore this system entirely. Stick to the Solemn Echo banner using the free jade you earn from exploring. But if you are planning to swipe your card, just know you aren't chasing the outfit, you're chasing these cores. If this guide saved you from wasting your beads, hit that like button and subscribe for more Where Winds Meet guides. See you in the Jianghu.